Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP. In this quick video today I'll be showing you a few examples of what kind of customizations you can get done on your sidebar and how this could benefit your clients. Let's get into it. Alright, so you're able to do a bunch of different things with the sidebar menus, like link to external sites or even order forms within SPP directly. Usually, the sidebar menu is going to look similar to this, where it's a very simple sidebar menu that has your dashboard, orders, services, tickets, invoice subscriptions, profile payments, and commissions. This is basically everything that your client is going to need at a very basic level for them to be able to accomplish what they need with your profile. However, if you need to add a few more links to make it easier for your clients to reach some resources, it's very simple. All you're gonna have to do is go into settings and then go into menus and then click on add link or add category, and you could either add an individual link or you could add entire categories with specific resources. What we have in this example is we have a bunch of different order forms that are directly linked into the sidebar. So whenever your client clicks on one of them, it immediately takes them into an order form which is embedded into their SPP portal instead of opening a whole different page. So if we have a look over here, you can see that these are the forms that we have embedded directly into the sidebar, which I'll show you in a second. As you can see, this is how they're set up here. If perhaps you wouldn't like to show your services window to your clients, then you could completely delete that by just pressing on the services link menu item here and clicking on this delete icon. After which you could link all of your order forms straight down here, so your clients can only purchase the services that you have available within your order forms in the design that you have set them up. Let's see what this looks like from a customer's perspective. If we go into clients here really quickly and sign into Michael Scott's account, you'll be able to see that the sidebar looks very different than the other account that I showed you earlier. All of the icons that we have added are going to be here. And here's an example of what I meant by a cluttered services panel. So this could look a little bit messy to your clients, which you may not want to show to them. So instead, as I said, you could just completely remove this and have your order forms directly linked into the sidebar over here. Here are a few examples of the order forms that we have linked. And as you can see, they load directly within the portal instead of opening up in a separate tab. And also another thing that you could do with the side menu items is, of course, you could link to external sites. Alternatively, you could even set up entire custom pages and embed those into the sidebar via the help of our templates. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you what you could possibly do with the sidebar items and how this could benefit you customize your client's experience the way you want it to be. Feel free to reach out to us at any time if you have any questions or need any help getting any of this set up. And I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching this.